Hi guys, AR Malik here. Do you know your mobile is continuously tracking you, what you do, and listening all your conversations? It monitors which apps you use and what you search on internet. Go to main settings and disable these features. Click on main setting. Now scroll down to your Google. Click on this Google option. Now click on all services option here. Scroll down and go to privacy and security option. Here click on personalize using shared data. Click on this option. All these apps are tracking you and finding your information. You have to simply turn all these off. I have turned off all these one by one. You have to go back again on that Google option. Click on that Google option. Go to all services again. Scroll down again on privacy and security. Now click on usage and diagnostic. This feature also collect information how you use your mobile and what application you use and send it to Google. It slow down your mobile and drain fast your mobile phone battery. You have to simply turn it off. When you turn it off, now you have to again go to your mobile phone main setting. Click here, scroll down to Google option, click on this Google option. Again click on that all services option. Now scroll down, again go to privacy and security. Click on first option ads. You have to click on this option. At the top you can see reset advertising ID. You have to click on that and simply reset advertising ID. Click on confirm. The advertising ID reset. Now you have to click on second option delete advertising ID. Click on this option and delete advertising ID. Advertising ID deleted. When you turn off all these features, your mobile phone will no more track you. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.